Alright, today we have some huge updates coming to HighLevel. This is mainly going to improve your experience in the funnel builder. So if you already use HighLevel for yourself or your clients, you'll find them super helpful. And if not, you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up with my link in the description. Alright, number 6 is going to be form builder inside the funnel builder. So finally we also have this. So for example, in the pop-up I have one form. This is going to be for a free commerce audit. And let's say I want to start SMS marketing as well. So I need their phone numbers when they opt in. Now, previously, what you had to do is go back to your HighLevel, click on Sites, go to Forms and Builder, and then you selected the form you want to edit. In my case, this is the ecom call. Wait for it to load, add a new element, and then you add the phone number, save, go back to your funnel, refresh, and then you could use phone number. So okay, we have phone number here, let's save. Now you see it's still not updated, so I need to refresh the page. Now if I click on the pop-up, I have the phone number. So with this new update, you can actually just click the form inside the funnel builder, and on the right side you have edit form, and it's just a simple pop-up. You can make all the changes you want. You can see the submissions, you can do the other settings, and I just remove the phone number. I don't need it now, and you just save, and it's live on your website. So it's also going to save you a minute or two, and it really adds up if you create multiple funnels, multiple websites. In the comment section, let me know what you think about these updates. Let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to grab your free trial. You'll also get access to automation, snapshots, you'll get support on every day of your trial, and also an onboarding call, live Q&A calls, and you'll also get instant access to my private school group.